Hey there, Glue Pros! Let's talk about a common headache for users of automatic insulating glass sealing robot, the mysterious case of no pressure in B-glue, also known as black glue. Now, I know this can throw a wrench in your workflow, but fear not, because I'm here to guide you through the two key areas to check first. These are the spots where many customers commonly face problems, so pay close attention. First up, let's take a look at the two magnetic switches on the B-glue cylinder. Understanding their working principle is crucial. When the glue is lifted to the upper position, the upper magnetic switch should light up, indicating that it's detected the glue's presence. Conversely, when the glue drops to the lower position, the lower magnetic switch should light up. Now, here's where things can go wrong. If the upper switch doesn't light up when the glue reaches the upper position, the device won't send a reversing signal to the solenoid valve. This is a critical issue because the solenoid valve is responsible for controlling the movement of the cylinder. Without that reversing signal, the cylinder can't move up and down normally. And if the cylinder isn't moving, it directly affects the operation of the glue suction rod. If the rod isn't functioning properly, it's impossible to generate the necessary pressure to push the glue out. So, checking these magnetic switches is like checking the heartbeat of your insulating glass sealing robot's pressure system. Next, we move on to the needle valve on the black glue storage unit. This is another vital component that often gets overlooked. When switching the device from manual to automatic mode, it's essential to confirm whether the rod in the middle of the needle valve is lifted. You might be wondering why this is so important. Well, if this rod isn't raised, it creates a blockage in the flow path of the B-glue. Even if pressure builds up within the system, the glue simply can't flow properly through the blocked valve. This results in a pressure failure, leaving you with a machine that's seemingly under pressure but not delivering any glue. So, making sure that needle valve rod is in the correct position is like ensuring a clear highway for your glue to travel through. To summarize, when you encounter the frustrating issue of no pressure in B-glue, don't panic. Instead, focus your attention on these two critical areas: the magnetic switches on the B-glue cylinder and the needle valve on the black glue storage unit. Well, that's all for today's troubleshooting tips. But if you want to dive even deeper into the world of automatic insulating glass sealing robots, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the in-depth guides and pro-level hacks coming your way. Stay tuned, and let's keep those machines running like a dream.